Today we're going to be resetting an oil service light in a Mazda CX5. As you can see here, when I start up the vehicle, that past due service comes up on this right display here. The first thing to do is to use this knob right here and scroll over to applications on your screen. Then you'll click in on the knob and you could see vehicle status monitor. Click on that and then click down onto maintenance. From here, we could see that we're scheduled maintenance, says it's 0 days overdue, but in our case, we just did the oil change, so we're gonna reset that. You can click down here and just click reset, and then click reset. Click back. Then we're gonna reset our tire rotation. Click reset. And we'll do our oil change. And here, we'll do reset. Now everything's set to 5,000 miles or 4 months, so we're all good to go. And just to confirm here, there's no more warning on the dash. If you do want to change your interval, you could click on that and adjust what interval you're at. I'm going to do 6 months and 5,000 miles, which definitely is slightly overkill. You could do a year and 10,000 miles fairly confidently, but here we're going to do 6 months, 5,000 miles and go with that.